Alright, so let's say that you're building a multi-product sales funnel where you have different products obviously, and you want to do an upsell when they add to cart. So the process of the funnel is obviously that you have different products, you click to add to cart, and then you have a checkout where you can actually purchase the product that you've added or products that you've added to your cart. But how do you do an upsell? How do you actually upsell a person that actually clicks on the button? And it's really easy. And we've looked at when we did multi-product sales funnels, but we'll look into more details here as well. So when you do a link of a button to add to cart, when you do into the links, you have the option to have add to cart. When you go to store, select the product that you want to sell with the click of the button, and then select the action, which is add to cart in this case. Then you have the second action, which is show a pop-up. So obviously that cannot be just a pop-up. You can go to a page, for example, but with pop-up is the best way to do an upsell in this kind of a scenario. So in this case, we're selecting the upsell one, which is a pop-up that we've already created here in our pop-up section. So if you go to your pages and then you click on pop-ups, you'll see all the different pop-ups that you have created up beforehand. In this case, we have this pop-up for a product, and you have the button that just again does the same thing. It adds a product to your cart. So all you have to do is go to store, select the product that you want to upsell basically when you add to cart, and again have add to cart as action. And this is it. When now somebody clicks on this button, they'll add to cart the product that you've selected. Click on save, and that's it. So this way you can do different pop-ups for different types of products that you want to upsell into your page. So you can have a product like this, for example, which is a whole page, pop-up like this, where you have a lot more space to modify the looks of your upsell that you're trying to do basically. And again, for this button, you just go to the link, so go to store and select, let's say, this product, and have an action to add to cart. Or directly, you can have it to buy now, and basically when they click on the button, it will add this upsell to the cart and go directly to checkout, so you can buy both products, the one that you click to add to cart and the upsell one from here. So yeah, this is it. You can have it show nothing or go back to the page, something like that. So click on select, save the page, and we can click on the X to close it. So now you can link, for example, on this button, you can link this new upsell, which is the pop-up. So yeah, you select the product that you want to sell first, add to cart action, and then select the pop-up as an extra action after they click the button, and click on save. So this is it. Basically, we've created a way for you to add to cart by clicking this button and show an upsell pop-up right after it. As you can see, product was added to your cart, and you can now click to add this new product as well, and it's added again to cart, and they can close or go to checkout right away. And for this one, when you click on it, this big pop-up will again show on the page with the upsell product that they have. If they don't want, they can just click on the X, and that's it. And of course, when they're ready, they can just go and click on checkout now to see everything. On the billing section, they will see everything about the products that they've added to cart. And this is it. This is how simple it was to create an upsell when you add to cart on your sales funnels. This is great again for multi-product sales funnels. And yeah, again, you can link to a pop-up, to a page, but my personal recommendation is as action to just create a new pop-up for each upsell, basically like a connected product that you want to upsell. So you do it from pages, add new pop-up, and by default you can select one of the beautiful designs. And yeah, you have an option like this where you can have multiple products that you want to upsell, because you might want to have a few different variations of certain products or different types that you want to upsell when somebody adds to cart a specific product. And that's it. This is how simple it was to create your upsells for multi-product funnels. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you have more questions, just let us know in the live chat.